roots and establish a foundation in the Zen Garden. In this way, the Zen Garden becomes the pure mind itself. The Zen Garden is the center of all. This is where perfection is cultivated. This is where the sacred temple is built, stone by stone. This is where the essential devotion to the truth takes up its residency. One never looks out onto the world to consider a remedy. One only needs to look towards the Zen Garden and tend to it with due diligence. As within, so without. Hence, the condition of the Zen Garden is ultimately a reflection of the condition of the pure mind. Clarity of mind keeps fog out of the Zen Garden. Lucidity is the best companion to the cool, crisp air in the morning. A calm caretaker walks the grounds in peace and serenity, letting nothing escape his attention. In this way, there is no gathering moss. Indeed, there is no stone left unturned. Vigilant mindfulness prevents weeds from gathering in the corners. The caretaker uproots the weeds, not out of persecution or hatred, but simply out of devotion to the natural duty that is his charge. The Zen Garden is a Zen Garden, after all, because it is maintained. And such maintenance is only carried out appropriately with inexhaustible patience and an eye for fine detail. It's nothing personal against the weeds. It's just that a Zen Garden requires discipline and self-control. And weeds are indicative of wild and the reckless. When faced with the sudden appearance of an unmovable rock in the Zen Garden, if all efforts to overturn the imposition fail to produce fruit, then the answer to the problem won't be realized by trying to manipulate the stone. In these cases, it is sometimes necessary for a caretaker to leave an unmovable rock, and instead make changes to the context. In this way, a caretaker learns how to utilize obstacles to the benefit of the Zen Garden. A well-tended Zen Garden will attract life into its grounds. Many different birds will visit, and some will make homes there. There will be fish in the Zen ponds, squirrels in the treetops, and butterflies down on the quiet pathways. Each of these creatures earn their keep, assisting the caretaker to keep balance and order in the Zen Garden through the simple living of their own little existences. And people might also be attracted to visit the Zen Garden, and to spend some peaceful time there in the serene tranquility. This time will hopefully compel some of them to begin to practice meditation, and perhaps to eventually free themselves from the bondage of mind enslavement. If this type of circumstance ever manages to come to pass, the potential of the Zen Garden will finally reach its full realization.